You gotta try and scoop up some of the chili.
Yeah, you needed extra of the chili. For me, it was plenty hot. Crispy Spurs style wings with gherkin sauce and blue cheese sauce.
I think this might be better than Spur.
Definitely is. Hi everyone, we're making some chicken wings. Mmm. And sauce. Yep. Flame on. Wait for that to get hot. And in the meantime, we'll start the sauce. Blue cheese, dipping sauce. We've got cream cheese, so we're going to put a bit of that. But you can use cream or even just milk. So cream cheese, Cross and Blackwell. Tangy mayonnaise. Mayonnaise, lemon juice. And blue cheese. More blue cheese.
Loads of blue cheese.
We'll start with that and we'll see how it goes. Oh, we still need a bit of garlic, which we'll put in just now.
I normally fry the little tips first because they make a nice snack and they also tell you when the oil's hot enough.
Brilliant. More blue cheese, definitely. And I put that bit of garlic. Give it a bit of a mix, and if you want, you can dilute it with some milk.
Need a hand there, Rick?
Thanks. Teamwork is dreamwork.
I do the heavy lifting.
Ah, your oil sounds hot as well.
Looks good. Okay, looks like my little tips are golden and delicious. So I'll just take I normally put them onto a little bit of tissue paper. Drain them off a bit.
Your tips are always golden and delicious. Hello, more tips.
Just a smidge of salt. And now for the chicken. Now you got drums and you got the two fizz. I don't know what people call the two fizz. They're the two bones. So I'm going to put the drums in first because they're going to take the longest. Some of those drums are actually quite big. They're monsters.
I was thinking of doing them like a mock KFC.
Yeah, we should. Actually, I'm going to put them all in. I'm going to put all the chicken in. It looks like I got space. Oh, it's hot. I'll just do that.
Spur's famous jerky sauce. If you know, you know. Anyway, we start with this. Some tomato soup. You can have tinned or like this. If you don't have this, some tomato paste, maybe a bit of oregano. You're going to have to play around with your flavors a bit. Not too much. A little bit. Very important. Pickle juice.
It's like from old gherkins.
Yeah, so don't ever, ever, ever throw that away. It's useful for so many things. Like meat marinade, but also, I've still got a pickle, go in there. Also, for this, yeah, get that on. Garlic. To taste, garlic. Chilies. Chili. Wash hands after touching chili and disinfect surface. Lemon juice. Bit of salt. Pepper. Right, that'll slowly start to thicken because that tomato soup had thickening agent in it. Otherwise you'd put a bit of corn flour. Oh, can you see how that's like changed colour a bit? Gotten thicker. It's looking amazing. At this point you might need to add a bit more pickle juice or a bit more vinegar or even a bit of water. But we're going to give it a taste and see how it tastes.
Hot.
It's intense with that. Oh, wow. I'm going to add a bit of water because it's got enough sour notes. So I'm just going to thin mine with a bit of water and add a little bit of sugar.
What's the rule, Rick? If you use lemon juice, gotta use the sugar. Hot.
Oh, that looks so good.
Oh, it really. Oh, we got loads of it.
Always fits perfectly somehow. I have no idea because you wing it.
Wing it. Get it? Oh man, so golden and delicious. I'm just going to take them out now. Oh my finger. Now, you're going to see that they look golden and stuff. When you take them out, they're not as golden as you think they are. But don't worry. Don't worry. They are going to be crunchy.
Yeah, because you can't overcook them, otherwise they get dry and stringy.
Very important. Don't let it get too golden. Otherwise, it's not going to taste good. And there we are.
They smell incredible, though.
Oh, so good. I'm just going to salt them quickly. You do want to put a little bit more salt than you normally would. Because it's a treat.
I agree. Crispy Spurs style wings with gherkin sauce and blue cheese sauce. Ryan has a trick.
Oh, you just twist and it pops out.
And that's spicy gherkin sauce, sour and spicy and tomatoey and everything.
You gotta try to get a load of it. And you know why you have the blue cheese sauce? It's not there just for its health, you know.
Cool it down. And great chicken. Oh.
Just cool you down. It's the mix of the two that make it.
Man, such a great meal.
It really is. Don't mind if I do.
Oh, absolutely.
Oh man, let's see if my trick works for me. You got to clip the end, twist, and pull. 50%. And the big one. Oh.
Yeah, I struggle with the big one. I think the chicken's just so soft.
I think that's the problem, is that it does come off, but you got to work that little corner bit. But
get in there, get in there.
Man. You got to try and scoop up some of the chili.
Yeah, you needed extra of the chili. For me, it was plenty hot. Nice. It's nice. That the umamis and the sour.
Spur can learn from yours. Put the chopped chili in.
Yeah.
Oh, you get that crunch as well.
And loads of garlic.
Loads of garlic. I'm going to go for the blue cheese.
Oh, yeah.
Even though I just want to go back in there.
No, but do it.
Double.
Yeah, no.
Okay,
you have
blue
to experience the blue. The blue is amazing.
I was expecting Spurs one.
No, this is thick.
Oh, this is rich. Oh, I think this might be better than Spur.
Definitely, it's the Cross and Blackwell Tangy.
Oh man, wait to go us.
I know, and then like my nose is dripping from that chili, but I just want another one.
Yeah, you do.
And I'm thinking, what else can I dip in that?
We should have made more.
How's these chickens, eh? I mean, like, it's like one was a farmer brown chicken.
both of them are wing drumsticks.
Yeah.
Like, really?
Yeah. Tiniest little things, and then massive.
I think they come from different farms.
Probably.